He make the straddle so simplified. I really like that. पहले क्या होता था, हम लेकर ऐसे ही बैठ जाते थे भगवान भरोसे, इधर जाए उधर जाए, पैसा कहाँ आएगा पता नहीं. We are getting a good profit there actually. I am Deep, so I have a long association with Salilji. As far as trade is concerned, my story is not different. Only the improvement which I like to share with you guys. Stop loss number has drastically came down. I am getting a stop loss definitely, but it's a very minimal. Say one candle or 1.5 candle. It's a maximum 10 to 12 points stop loss I am getting now. He make the straddle so simplified. I really like that. पहले क्या होता था, हम लेकर ऐसे ही बैठ जाते थे भगवान भरोसे, इधर जाए उधर जाए, पैसा कहाँ आएगा पता नहीं. वो एडजस्टमेंट कुछ हम पे ऑफ ग्राफ देख देख के बनाते थे. लेकिन रिसेंटली ही टुक अ क्लास and based on the MACD how you can make the changes and make the adjustment, it is amazing and we are getting a good profit there actually. So this way we are learning new things, new techniques and new strategies. It's a completely new, because this kind of MACD part which we basically are proprietary by Salilji, and he merged the particular strategy for everywhere, and it's a really change. Thanks Salilji.
Thank you.